Most people think they're using AI, but in reality, AI is using them. If you close your laptop at noon feeling like a ghost, it's not your fault, it's your architecture. Here is how we reclaim our minds in 2026. Have you ever had one of those mornings? You wake up motivated, coffee ready, laptop open, and then it begins. You're chatting with one AI agent, then another, optimizing prompts, rewriting text, generating images, switching tabs, checking updates, testing the latest tool that dropped while you were asleep. On paper, you're incredibly productive, but then noon arrives. You close your laptop and somehow you don't feel like a champion. You feel like a drained battery. Your head is buzzing, your thoughts feel scattered. And in the back of your mind, there's that familiar sting, the feeling that you're already falling behind. Because while you were working, 5 more must-use frameworks went viral. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In 2026, we are witnessing a global phenomenon. Researchers call it AI-Induced Cognitive Fragmentation. Your mind isn't a studio anymore, it's a crowded control room where the alarms never stop. Here's the first thing you need to hear. This isn't a discipline problem, you aren't lazy. The science of 2026 shows that your brain was simply never designed for this environment. Psychologists call this the scan mentality. Instead of focusing deeply, your attention is constantly sweeping the horizon for the next update, the next tool, the next potential threat to your career. Neurologically, this keeps you in a state of hyper-arousal. Every time a new AI notification pops up, your cortisol levels spike, your nervous system is on high alert. But here is the hidden cost. When you are constantly scanning, you shut down your default mode network, or DMN. The DMN is your brain's inner architect. It's responsible for insight, creativity, and deep pattern recognition. It only activates when you stop scanning and stop being. In a world of constant digital stimulation, we have information without transformation. We are collecting bricks, but forgetting how to build the house. So how do we regulate? You don't need a better prompt. You need a better architecture. High performers in 2026 are moving towards the 2-desk method. Desk A is your digital cockpit, the screens, the agents, the noise. This is where you execute. And Desk B is your analog island. No screens, no notifications, just paper, a pen, and your thoughts. When you physically move your body between these spaces, you signal a neurological shift. You move from reactive scanning to deep diving. To support this, we use the 90-20-30 rhythm. 90 minutes of deep work. Direct the AI, don't just follow it. 20 minutes of digital lockdown. This is non-negotiable, no phone, no scrolling, just silence. 30 minutes of analog reflection. Why the 20-minute break? Because of memory consolidation. Think of it like saving a file. If you don't step away, your brain keeps opening new tabs before the old ones are stored. You are essentially erasing your own learning. Let's look at the reality of 2026. Everyone has access to AI. Everyone can generate. Everyone can automate. This means knowing the tools is no longer a competitive advantage. The real advantage today is cognitive endurance. It's the ability to stay calm when the noise is loudest. The courage to step away from the feed to find an original idea. AI can generate answers, but it cannot replace human depth. It cannot replace meaning. The winners of this era won't be the fastest scrollers. They will be the deepest thinkers. The question isn't, how many tools can you use? The question is, can you create silence inside the noise? The future doesn't belong to those who serve the algorithm. It belongs to the architects of the systems behind it. Don't become slave to the scan, become the architect. If these words resonate with you, subscribe to Soul Spirit Music to stay ahead. Your support helps us a lot.